Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope everybody is doing good, fit and fine. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for showing so much love on my previous video. So as you guys can see, I already had head into the video. So I'm doing eyes facial, and so like as always I have nothing on my face, and I'm gonna start with eyes facial because it really gives you an amazing look when you do eyes facial before doing any kind of makeup. And it gonna constrict your blood vessels, and of course it reduces puffiness and also help your makeup go smoother. And it can also like temporarily tighten your pores because everybody has pores on their skin, so it's natural and gives your skin a refreshed look after doing this. And yeah, it might hurt you for a while, but yeah, after doing this you will be amazed to see the results. And now I'm gonna wipe it off with tissue paper, or you can use any kind of wipes or any type of clean cloth, but here I'm using a tissue because yeah, you can use anything instead. So as you can see, my skin was looking so refreshed and fine after using it. You can see the difference it makes on my skin. Okay, so here I'm gonna share you how to make your less coverage foundation to a highly fully coverage foundation. Here I'm gonna use a Giorgio foundation because it is very thin and it doesn't give you fully coverage. So you can use any kind of foundation which you have, which is not a fully coverage. As you people might know that these foundation are really expensive in the market and it really cost you. So you can make your fully covered foundation at your home. And as you can see, there are spots visible on my face after applying the foundation because it was not fully covered. So I'll make it fully coverage by using pancake. So here I'm using a Kryolan's pancake. So yeah, it doesn't matches with my skin. Then I'm showing you the next one, which was the shade in 2W, I guess. Yeah, this was in 2W. What I'm gonna do is I'm opening it and saying, rechecking the number again, and I'm gonna so I was doing it very slowly, so I have to voice over it accordingly. So then I took the brush because I'm not gonna use that sponge again. So I had taken this brush. You can take any kind of brush, and what I'm gonna do is I had dipped it in that cold water, and I'm just rubbing it, the pancake, and making it in liquid. So you can use it in wet, or you can use it in a dry way. There are lots of ways to use it. So I'm making it liquidy foundation. So now as you can see, I'm applying it on the foundation, and can you see the difference? Can you see my dark spots now? It heightens it and it gives me a really refreshed look, and my skin looks really good after using this hack. And it becomes a fully coverage foundation which might cost you 10k to 15k in the market. So you can make it your own at your home. So yeah, this was the first hack. I hope everybody is liking it and you guys are getting what I am teaching. No, not teaching, what I am like telling you. You all are my friends, you all are my seniors, so I'm only sharing my tips and techniques with you. Now I'm gonna blend it with the sponge. So yeah, this was the way to do it, and I was really surprised to see the difference, and I was really happy to see the difference and results. Yeah, this was the first hack. I hope you guys like it. So now as we are done with our first hack, so let's wipe it off, let's rinse it off, and let's get straight jump into the next hack. So I was removing it with micellar water. You can remove it with any kind of lotion. Okay, so here I was thinking what to do next, and here I got an idea that what to do next. I'm gonna make a BB cream at my home. So for that, I'm taking any type of moisturizer and a pancake. When I say any type of moisturizer, it literally means is any type of moisturizer. So I'm taking it the moisturizer which I have in my home. You can take any type of lotion. There are lots of lotion in the market, Revlon lotion, or I don't remember the names. There are lots of lotion, and I'm taking the pancake, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rub it and like mix the powder of it and mix it with my moisturizer. So yeah, here I'm like done with rubbing it, and I'm gonna mix it with my moisturizer. You can take any type of powder which you have at your home, any kind of compact powder, but I'm using pancake and I'm making a BB cream, you mixing it with my moisturizer. And trust me, it really amazed me. Of I can't tell you, my words are unable to justify how amazing it was looking. Oof, wow, it was amazing. And I don't really know the BB creams in the market, and I don't even go to purchase them. So I'm making it my own BB cream, because the way I want is I don't think they would be available in the market really. So yeah, here I was like, here on that point I had decided that I'm gonna always make this type of BB cream for my skin. And oh, it was looking so good. And trust me, you guys might go and make it your own, and then you might will trust me that yeah, she wasn't lying, and it really helps. And the hack is past here. So oof, wow, my skin looks so radiant, flawless, and amazing by using this baby cream. Okay, so the next one is not really a hack, but this is here I'm showing you the aqua color pancakes, which only uses with wet sponge, or you can say the beauty blender. Here I'm showing you the colors of it, and I'm gonna like tell you if worth to buy it or not after applying it on my face. So here I was really confused what colors will matches with my skin, and after then I finally decide what color will matches with my skin, and I was like yeah, go with this color. And I'm using the Mud's beauty blender because I really like it, and here I'm applying it. You guys can see it really looks good, and it's worth to buy it. You can buy the pancake aquas, it is really good. And now at this point I'm tired of speaking, because I'm like speaking from last, I guess, 8 minutes. Okay, so the basic idea is that it is really worth to buy. You can buy it your own because it is really good. So it was Kryolan's Aqua Wet Paint Pancake in color. I guess the shade was 2W. Yes, it was in shade 2W, I guess. Or maybe F45. I don't really remember. But when you see the colors, you can decide what will matches your skin. And here I'm gonna show you the way of applying the Kryolan paint TV paint stick. Here I'm using the F45 because it really matches with my skin. As you can see on the screen, it is really good. And do not hesitate to apply it on your skin, because if you apply it in less amount, it won't vanished your dark circles or anything. They were still visible in your skin and won't give you a flawless makeup look or anything. So please apply it in correct way, the way I'm applying it. And on that point, I was so done because I was doing it. You know, okay, just forget about it. I hope you like this video, and please give it a big thumbs ups, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any beauty video. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz, see you.